Yo guys, what's good? Justin here, and today I got quite a different video for you guys. Today I'm going to be taking you with me on my journey throughout Toronto because we're going to be picking up some OVO for you guys actually, so definitely stay tuned to my Instagram page for details on that. But I'm going to take you with me throughout my meetups, let you know what I pick up, what sizes, and see what I end up getting. So I'm going to catch you guys just in a bit for the journey. Peace. All right guys, so we're in the whip now and we're about to head up to the first meetup of the day. We're getting a hoodie and a hat, so you guys will see it once we get that in hand. What up guys? So we in Richmond Hill right now. Shout out to the Art Hill boys. But just came back from the first meet. This is what we picked up guys. Brand new dead stock OVO hat. This is with the new back, as you can see, DS. Shout out to my client for that one. He actually threw this one in for me as well, so maybe I might just throw this in a random order. I already have a bunch of these, so we got that. And this is the big piece, brand new zip up, as you can see from the tag. OVO thermal. Retail was $178, and this will be going on the site for under retail. Brand new, made in Canada. The quality is insane, as you can see on this tag as well. This is the thermal guys, so this bitch is freaking heavy. It's gonna keep you warm. Look at the lining in the hood guys, take a look at that. This is gonna be going up for under retail 100%. So definitely stay on the lookout for this piece, brand new guys. All right guys, so the first meetup of the day is done. Now we're headed back to Toronto and we are going to pick up the second item. All right guys, so just finished up for the Christmas t-shirts. We got two of these, both brand new. As you guys can see, the back of these are insane. So these are going to be going up on the site again for great prices guys. Look at the pom-pom, the OGL with the athletic center. Crazy pieces. So these are going to be going up. So again, these pieces will be up on the site. I think we got an XL and a large. Yeah, so that's that with these t-shirts. And now we do have one more meet to go to, which we got a varsity and a few t-shirts, so that'll be interesting. Shout out to everyone who looked out and got these pieces, man. Blessing the community with these steals. Also, a lot of people may be wondering how I'm doing this during quarantine. We're doing all contactless meetups 6 feet away, drop off points, putting the money in the mailbox, so all that good stuff. As you can see, there's the stuff from earlier, but we will be pulling up and we'll be doing more meets, so stay tuned because we got more heat on the way. Yo guys, what's good? I think we are headed to the last location. We're over at the UFT campuses right now. But I headed to my boy's house for the last pickup of the day that I'm going to do a recap when I get back home, so I'll see you guys then. And as you can see, we got a hoodie, and just from that font alone, you guys can see what that is. I also have a varsity in the back, but I'm gonna save that to when we get back guys, so definitely stay tuned to the page because we got some steals on the way. What is good boys and girls, man? We back in the hood, as you guys can see, man. So we got the goodies behind us and we about to unbox this stuff, man. I did post on my story that we did have an announcement coming soon, and this is part of the announcement. So by the end of this month, we're gonna have a big drop coming all under retail, so definitely stay tuned. Announcement post will be soon, so stay on the lookout. I'm just driving, so I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to the house and I'll show you everything we got. So I got this hat, pom-pom, brand new dead stock. You guys saw that earlier in the video. Gonna put this one up on the site for under retail. We got a bandana that I'm gonna throw in a random order, so shout out to anyone who gets that. But so we got this t-shirt. We got the Banner tee from 2017. Take a look, size large, fits like a medium though. I definitely want to point that out. We got the Christmas tee in an XL. Crazy piece guys. Take a look at the graphic. This is probably one of the better graphics that we've seen from OVO, and you guys can vouch for that too. Sick piece. First ever Toronto Raptors Christmas game again, so very important t-shirt, very important day. Size XL, never worn, going up on the site. Again, I'm gonna make a big announcement on that very soon, so YouTube gets it early. Go check out my Instagram down below. Here we have the crew neck with this crazy material, as you guys could see there. This one, again, under retail, size medium, made in Canada. And something I do really like about this piece is that owl patch. Love to see that. Crazy piece. Drake wore this one, kind of went viral. Next, guys, we have a sleeper. A lot of people slept on this because of something I want to show you right now. $178, guys. This is an OVO thermal zip up. As you can see, the thermal there, the crazy cotton on the inside, the heavy zipper, super heavy duty, as well as this on the bottom. This was a $200 zip up. I'm gonna have this for a crazy steal coming soon to the website. Stay tuned, stay on the lookout for this. Guys, a $200 zip up from OVO. This one's gonna be priced around, I wanna say 140. That's a crazy discount for something brand new. Free shipping, of course. Everything comes with none other than the new update stickers. These are super nice, guys. Check that out. So we got those coming in every order. Moving on, Free the Demons hoodie. Now this one, I'm selling this for a friend, so I cannot price this at a steal, but I am gonna price it under market. Size large, made in Canada, almost brand new, worn like once or twice. Just a little wrinkly at the back because it was folded. But guys, this is a $400 or $500 piece, and it is going to be going up for sale, so stay on the lookout. Under market. So if it's going for 400 right now, which it really is, it's going for like 405. I'm probably going to put this at 3 something. So definitely stay on the lookout. Next, we have this varsity jacket, same one as this. So what's in here is this one is just mine, my personal, but guys, this is a 700 guys, this is a $700 varsity jacket. I'm gonna put this up for like 4, almost 50% off, basically brand new. This was worn once, then never again. It was left in this dust bag. Comes with the dust bag, comes with the varsity and the hanger, guys. Check that hanger out. I want to put this around 400 bucks from 700, which is a complete steal. So again, I got an OVO striped hoodie coming in. I have a OVO scarf, the most recent ones that came out, coming in. I also have a XXL collegiate tracksuit in black, basically brand new, coming in for more under retail prices. And yeah, so definitely stay on the lookout because the announcement post will be up soon. So I'm going to start doing these as drops now. Instead of just posting it on my story, I want to have drops on my website, make it a bit more legit. And hopefully we can keep doing these all month because I'm trying to give back, give you guys those good prices. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching today's video. Again, this hat too will be up for sale. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.